Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Income tax, one of the important topic, that is exemptions or exceptions for income tax, that we are going to discuss today. You know the general rule of any income tax. What is the rule? Income earned in so and so country, that is taxable. On income, whatever income earned in particular country, that has to be paid tax for that. This is general rule. But sometimes there are some exemptions, there are some exceptions for such kind of tax. So general rule where we are avoiding, for general rule where we are getting the exemptions, that we will discuss today. Very important topic. So don't miss it till the end. So what are the exemptions? Means these are the 5 exemptions from income tax rule. First one is that individuals leaving India. Sometimes you know that many people, they leave the country. Whenever they leave the country, it is their duty to inform the same thing to the income tax officer. Okay, income tax officer, ITO we call. So it is the minimum responsibility of that individual who is leaving the country to income tax officer. And where his return is indefinite, may not return back, he does not have any idea. So for that people there is some exemption. Suppose say I am leaving India for 2 months or 3 months, after that I am going to come back. So I don't have any such kind of exemptions. Where I am leaving for any job purpose, I may not come back, there is a uncertainty of coming back. Only for those people there is an exemption, but those people who do not have idea about returning back, those people must be very careful that they are not going to come back. This is to be informed to the ITO, income tax officer. He has to inform that. Then what ITO is going to do is, he is going to calculate during the period, whatever period he stayed in the same country. During the financial year, suppose say you know that 1st April to 31st March, this is the assessment year, financial year. So say A is a person, A, who wants to leave the country on October 31st. He wants to leave the country and his return is indefinite. He may come back, he may not come back. Then what he has to do is, he has to inform to the income tax officer. Then income tax officer is going to calculate his income till October 31st only. Means 1st April to 31st October. April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Means 7 months he will calculate the income tax and he has to pay that and he can leave the country. But rest of the days, whatever the days, rest of the days after October, November, December, January, February, March, 5 months concession. Getting it? So this is individuals leaving India. And the second thing is that income of non-residing shipping companies. Sometimes you know foreign companies are coming into our country and they are doing their business. Whenever that kind of shipping companies comes, so they must have assurance that they are doing the business and what time they are departure. The departure date and all these things they have to confirm, and how much income is earned, so that everything details has to be given to the ITO. Then ITO is going to calculate the income and what is the tax on that income, everything he will calculate and he will put some tax. So that they have to pay, then only they are eligible to leave the country through ship. So this is important point. Then after that, individuals transferring the asset to ignore tax. There are many people who always feel that why to pay the tax, let me transfer my assets in the name of someone. So when they are transferring that, so during this process, if at all any information goes to the income tax department, they are going to charge. They don't leave that amount. So they are going to charge on that, then after that they have to pay the tax. This is as per the section 61. And next one is that income of discontinued business. Income of discontinued business, a business started as a partnership or a company, private company, whatever it may be started, but due to some problem they are unable to continue the business. Then what do? They wanted to discontinue, they wanted to dissolve, they wanted to wind up the company. So at that stage they have to inform to the ITO, income tax officer, that we are going to wind up the business. This information they have to give it to the ITO at least prior to before 15 days. Before 15 days this information has to be given to the ITO. Now ITO will calculate how many days the business has run and what is the income they have received, and all the calculations they'll do till the date of dissolution, till the date of winding up the business. So till that period only they'll calculate and they'll put the tax for that period only. Rest of the period no tax, because they have informed to the ITO. They have informed, and as per the calculations of ITO they have to pay, that's it, over, no more tax. So this is exemption. Next one is that income of association formed for particular period. Income of association formed for a particular period. This is as per the section 174A. When someone started any kind of association, business or something they have started for a particular period only, then after that period no more business, no more activities. When this is the case, till that particular period only they are eligible, they are supposed to pay the tax, but this is also to be informed to the ITO. And then as per the information received by the ITO and how many days they have, how many days or months or years, whatever it may be, they have started. Years in the sense same assessment year. We'll see this assessment year. During this assessment period, how many months they have worked and what is the income received during this period only we are going to consider, then that is taxable. Rest of the period no tax at all, because informed and they have formed for particular period. That period is over, informed to the ITO and paid the tax, that's it, over, no more tax. There is exemption for those people because period is over. So simple, these are the 5 points. Take a screenshot or note down. Hope you got a very good understanding about income tax. Theory part is over. Now in the coming class we'll see the practicals, how to calculate the income, general rules, and what is the procedure, that we are going to see in the coming classes. Please check out the playlist. There are many subjects already prepared. Be smart in searching the subjects, what is there in your syllabus, what I have covered. Please search it properly and use it. Don't forget to share these videos. Practice well. I expect you to be always in high position. Good luck. Take care.